Okay, welcome back to another video on the recipe app. In this video, we're going to do some CSS work. If I go into my current admin page right now, I have a very plain looking screen. And so I'd like to use the CSS file from the other pages. So let's go back into our Eclipse code. Let's go look at this item called Show Top Menu. Show Top Menu uses this link to an external style sheet called Custom Style CSS. And so all of that work that is done in the CSS file can be included in our admin page. So let's see, Show Admin Page is here. Let's double click it. And at the top, right at the beginning, right after session start, let's require the top menu. So let's call the show top menu.php and save the changes. Let's go back now and refresh the page. And look at there. We have the top menu, and we also have all of the styling here. So the buttons look a little prettier than they used to. Let's go ahead and edit something. Okay, this also looks kind of ugly. This is the show edit form. We can probably get away with the same process here. Let's go to show edit form. So at the top of the page here, let's do a require once. And let's put in the show top menu again and save it. So refresh this page and look at there, edit a recipe, and it's got all of the CSS work done for us. The submit changes button looks big. What's this? We plan to edit 10. That's probably not needed. So where do we go for that? Right here on line 10. So when you're doing your troubleshooting and printing, you got to make sure you finish off and make it look pretty by deleting those comments. It looks to me like the search could also use some help. So if I search for anything with a P in it and I get this ugly looking list, it needs to have CSS and the menu. So let's go and change that one as well. So let's see, that is called show form or something. Show search form, search recipe. I think this is the form here. So let's go and require the top menu. Save that change, and let's refresh these results, and sure enough, we get a little bit different. So that's pretty quick. Just add that top menu item, and all of a sudden you have the navigation links as well as the pretty CSS that goes along with it.